This is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com. Today you're at the new house and I am demonstrating a product called Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner. Now this is a product review and I'm going to tell you that this has not been an easy process for me to come up with the ultimate solution to get this job done fairly easily. So one of the things that this product claims is that it's not labor intensive. And let me tell you that that is not the case. I have tried several different ways to get this product to work on its own. So the claim on the bottle is all you need is a stiff brush to just brush the solution into the grout. And so I have a grout brush, which is the handheld item. And then if you've seen my other little hack about my scrub brush on a drill, I also have this, which is a relatively stiff brush as well. So what I've done at this point is I've actually taken a few items that you need in order to get this job done correctly. So I have a bunch of chamois cloths in a bucket of hot water, just plain hot water. I have a container sprayer where I filled it with the solution that is not diluted. It's just straight out of the bottle and goes right into the spray container. The great thing about this, it's pressurized and it comes right out the end of the pump so you can spray evenly over the surface of your floor and let the product sit. Now the product does say it needs to sit for 1 to 3 minutes, so it's a real fast acting product, and it claims it also works on grease and soap scum and just dirt in general. But when I've done this and I've actually hand scrubbed it, I did like maybe a 6x6 area, and it took a couple of hours for this thing to work hand scrubbing. And it's really rough on the joints, and so I don't think that this is something that you can do all on its own unless you've got a tiny little room and you don't mind hand scrubbing for a couple of hours straight. This will work for you, but I have a better solution. Now I am using the product according to label instructions, but in addition to that, I've rented a vapor steam cleaning unit from Home Depot. Now this unit is right now $70 a day, and I rented it for 2 days. So really this is worth its weight in gold because it's going to actually get into all those grout lines and steam it so it releases any kind of dirt that might have collected in any one of those grout lines. Grout is, it's a bumpy surface, and I don't care how much sealing you do to keep that grout line clean, I don't think it's ever going to stay clean without this kind of deep cleaning treatment. Now this hasn't been available till recently, and any of the tile floors that I've installed in the past have actually gotten dirtier over time because the kind of cleaning that I'm doing isn't really getting down into all those seams. So the tile actually remains looking really beautiful, but everything in between, it's getting dirtier and dirtier as the days go on. So this is the perfect item to get. It's going to keep your floors looking as beautiful as the day that they were installed, and I'll show you how easy it is to work. And if you've been observant, the floor behind me is already finished and the floor in front of me isn't, so you get to see the difference as I go. This is a very easy machine to use. You fill the container with water here, you put this on closed in order to turn it on, and then you can increase or decrease the amount of steam you need depending on your cleaning purposes. Push both buttons to power it on, and it has this little gauge here to let you know when it's ready to go ahead and start steaming. So my light is on. I have my attachment in the bottom here, and it just kind of clips in. Now this does take 30 minutes to heat up, and so what I've done in the meantime is I've actually prepped all the rest of my supplies. I have this brush unit attached to the bottom, which this is going to go ahead and actually generate the steam. It's got some holes in the front here, a little dirty because I've been actually cleaning. If you're hand scrubbing, only do a 2x2 area at a time because the product will start to dry before you can actually get beyond that. But if you're using a giant steam cleaner like I am, you can do a big area all at once. So there's a fine mist coming out the front of this, and I'm just spraying it on, kind of lightly, and it's just going to sit about 3 minutes before I actually start with the very first section. And let's give you a preview. So this part is finished, and this part is the part that I'm working on. So you can see the difference in color between the two grout lines, and that's what we're going for. That's the goal. Now, one of the things that the man at the tool rental desk said was to maybe go over this a couple of times just with the steam, not really scrubbing, not really putting any pressure on it, and let the steam do the work for you. So all this stuff that I'm doing right now, I'm just kind of running over the top of the surface and getting the steam in there to just kind of do the work for me. So at this point, now that that's done, I'm actually going to go back and I'm actually pulling the trigger, which is a pressure trigger, very easy to operate, and I'm getting in there and I'm scrubbing. Now, like I said, this is not something that is no work. You do have to exert some pressure here in order to get this out, and you can kind of see, you can get a technique going that will actually give you the best benefit. So mine, you know, I kind of move this around back and forth, side to side, just to get the best possible results. And let's just give that a wipe, and making sure that you're getting that chamois or whatever kind of cloth you're using right into that grout line, making sure that you're getting all of that debris out of there. And look, it's doing a really great job. I can tell the difference, but once it's dry, that's when you'll really notice the difference. So, you know, it does take a little bit of time, but here we go again. And I'm just, again, getting that steam to kind of do the work for you initially. It's going to save you on all kinds of extra work. So, you know, just working over maybe 3 or 4 tiles at a time. That's all you have time to do here, so that you're not getting overwhelmed or lose track of where you've been. So now that the steam is done, I'm just going to go ahead and go back in and scrub it really well, exerting some pressure, pulling the trigger so that I get a consistent amount of steam on that grout line. Well, this large area just took me 2 hours to complete, which is a lot better than hand scrubbing a 6x6 area in the same amount of time. And here's a close-up of the flooring that I did with the Black Diamond Grout Cleaner. So this floor actually has been done by hand with a hand scrubber, and this one is done with the Black Diamond and the steamer combination. So very similar results. It just depends on how much effort you'd like to put into your job. The last thing I'd like to demonstrate for you is the ability for Black Diamond Grout Cleaner to clean this backsplash. Now, there's some grease staining going on here, and I've actually gone through and cleaned this 3 times before with my little mini drill brush. And the little mini drill brush, it did a pretty good job, but it didn't pull everything out. So I'm really hoping that the combination of the steam and the Black Diamond Grout Cleaner will make a huge difference. So there are these little tiny scrub brush tips that you can put on the end of the wand. So I've done that, and I'm just going to give it a light coating of the Black Diamond Grout Cleaner. These machines can get really loud when you have the small tips on here, so make sure you wear ear protection, and here we go. Even after steam cleaning, I still have dark areas on the backsplash. So Black Diamond Grout Cleaner, I'm not sure that it's a degreaser per se. It does have a very pleasant odor. It's kind of like baby detergent. It smells really good, and so it's not overwhelming as you're working on your project. So that's one really great thing going for Black Diamond Grout Cleaner. The other thing is, you know, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say I got about a 5 out of this product. You know, it's not quite the original color, which was a very light beige. So, you know, halfway there, I'm happy with it. You know, I don't notice the grout lines anymore. On floors that are probably a little bit older, you know, you're not going to have the kind of ability to pull that dirt out of the grout lines. So, you know, I'm happy with it though. Was it a lot of work? Yes, it was. If you have a floor that's a little younger, I have a feeling that you'll have much better results for you and your project. So, this is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com. Thank you so much for watching this product review of Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner, and you can decide for yourself. I'll give you a once over the floor and see what you think. And please, if you enjoyed watching this product review, leave me a comment, say hello, please like, share, follow, and subscribe, and I'll bring you another review in the future.